Welcome to the AERA Prosis Pro Bulletin Search tutorial. This tutorial will demonstrate how to do a bulletin search. When you first open the page, you will see the latest bulletins published by AERA. On the left, you will have two options where you can start your search. The top section is for the text or keyword search, and the bottom section is for a filtered search. To do a filtered search, you can select an option by using the drop-down menus for casting type or bulletin type. Then press Search. Under the Bulletin Search section, you can search more specifically by using a title, keyword, or number. For example, let's type in oil consumption under the Bulletin title field and then press Search. Here you will find 56 results. You can click on the numbers at the top right to view your results on the following pages. Let's do a search for a specific bulletin number. For example, let's type in 2612 and press Search. Here we find a listing for this particular bulletin. To view this bulletin, click on the bulletin bar. Once opened, you will see the bulletin and any related diagrams. You can also print the bulletin by pressing the Print button here. To see an enlarged image of the diagram, just click on the image. Simply click the X to close the image. You can also print the image by pressing the Print button. Make sure your browser pop-up blocker is turned off. To learn more about engine specification, shop counter, and shop tools, we recommend watching the related tutorial videos.